Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, we're jumping right into it. As you can see, I'm showing you what my kitchen is looking like because we are all about to be in here as a family preparing for our New Year's Eve celebration. My name is Kim, 𝐄𝐍𝐉𝐎𝐘. I spell my name with a Y, 𝐄𝐍𝐉. I do videos pertaining to home life, so that's all things homes, repairs, DIYs, cooking, cleaning, projects. If that sounds like something that you are interested in, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, hype your girl up, and leave me a comment. There are a plethora of appetizers on the menu today. We have smoked beef sausage with pineapples and brown sugar. We also have what do you guys call them? The baby shower meatballs, I guess. I like to make homemade meatballs. They are not frozen. Homemade apple pie, a rotisserie chicken, chicken salad, veggie trays. We have twice baked potatoes, bread with all these different oil dips, a Caesar salad with some homemade dressing. Shout out to Janelle, girl, that dressing was so good. Amongst some other things that I just can't think of off the top of my head right now. So we brought one of our tables that were in the garage into our space. Right now I'm just cleaning off the ice machine because you know what, when you're having a party, you definitely need some ice. And this ice is really good. It was actually a company that sent it to me maybe about 2 years ago that I did a review on, and I'm still using the machine. I hope you're doing well. I hope your new year has been a blessing to you thus far. 2026 is going to be a great year for each and every one of us. You have to believe it and speak those things as though they are. For the meatballs, I like to add barbecue sauce. I also add mustard as well as jelly. And then my secret ingredient is vanilla. Don't be rolling around here telling people that I be putting vanilla extract in there, okay? Because that's my business. But just so you know, in case you want to make it, it is so good with the vanilla. When I make my chicken salad, I make it the same way I make my deviled eggs. So I do add Miracle Whip. Argue with your mama about Hellmann's or Duke's, okay? Your girl uses Miracle Whip, mustard. Now, if you have celery seed, celery flakes, or celery salt, definitely add that in there because it gives it such a great flavor. I also add sweet relish and then a couple other ingredients. Fun fact, I'm really weird about my hands, so I had gloves on so that I could shred up the chicken. Just like when we were balling up the meatballs, I had gloves on. My husband was making fun of me, so he just took over and balled up the meatballs for me because I do not like touching raw meat. I don't like touching a lot of stuff. As a matter of fact, if you put a plastic bag in front of me and told me, go ahead and dig in that plastic bag without looking and grab a prize, I wouldn't, because I'm just really, really weird about my hands. I've made twice baked potatoes on here several times, so I'm not going to take you through the entire process. Add what you want in your twice baked potatoes. But what I ended up doing is just making it with butter, sour cream, putting salt and pepper in there. And then I made a side with like additional sour cream, cheese, bacon, real bacon, because we did make the bacon in the oven, and also some green onion. Here's an overview of what the food looked like. I also had ice cream that I totally forgot about. That's obviously in the freezer, but everything turned out really good and we had a great time. Now it's a few days later, and I just wanted to make sure that I got some of this Christmas decor up. Let me tell you something. I was struggling to stay up past midnight, okay? My motto is, in the wintertime, I like to rest more, because that is really what nature is calling your body to do, is get more rest, which is why when the time changes and it's dark early, you're supposed to just lay low. This is why a lot of animals hibernate in the wintertime, so your girl be trying to hibernate too. Let me know if you can relate. When the new year comes, we always try to reorganize our living room, change up decor pieces, change up colors, all that great stuff. I'm pretty much a neutral person. My girls told me that they wanted to have green, more green incorporated into the living room space. We did have a little bit of green last year, but I am going to be incorporating some green. Obviously, Rome was not built overnight, so it's going to take some time for me to find pieces that I actually like. But again, I just want to make sure I get some of this Christmas decor up. Let me know below in the comments if you have any kind of New Year's resolution. For me, I believe in reinventing yourself every day, every hour if you want to. I'm not waiting for the new year. I'm not waiting for Monday to start eating healthy. I'm going to start it. If I think about it right now, I'm going to start it in an hour, or I'm going to start it the next day. I just really do not go by New Year's resolutions. That's just me personally. Sorry about the lighting on the camera. It's going to go in and out of focus just because you know how the clouds be behind the sun and then they expose the sun and all that great stuff. So it's just going to look a little bit weird here in the next few clips. Also, let me know how you're doing. Let me know if you really worked on your self-care in 2025, or if it's something that you plan to do right now. It is very important that we work on ourselves, because if we are not loving on ourselves and taking care of ourselves, how in the world are we supposed to take care of everybody else? As a person that's a woman, that's a wife, obviously I have a role in my home and I need to make sure things are taken care of. My husband has a role and he needs to make sure he's taken care of so that all of us can be taken care of, because he's the king of the home. He take care of all of us, okay? In me being the queen, I have my role as well. I'm not like putting it all on him, although I would like to, don't tell him that. But there's different things that I want to create in my home that are magical for my family so that they will always remember. And then when my girls get older and they decide to have kids, I want them to come to a space that is comforting and that feels good, and that they can share those memories with their children to let them know, hey, when we were growing up, this is what we experienced. This is what we did. This is what mom did for us. Since I had some garland on this TV stand, there was a lot of glitter and a lot of little snow pellets. So I wanted to make sure that I got that up. Wiping it just was not doing it. So I vacuumed it up. And let me tell you something, it worked really well. We went to the at-home store the other day and I found two things that were green that I really like. So I'm going to play around with those while incorporating some green things that I had from 2 years ago and just try to kind of see what I want to do. I also ordered some pillow covers. Now I ordered the incorrect size and didn't realize it until this very moment. And so then I had to reorder actual pillows to insert into these pillow covers, and they will actually be here tomorrow, I believe. So I'll have to put those on in another video. I also have yet to take some of the Christmas decor down from the kitchen just because life has been busy. My daughter is a cheerleader for basketball. They have 2 basketball games per week, sometimes 3, and then she has practice every day. So it's like me running back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I feel like I am not catching a break. And as I previously stated, I need more rest in the wintertime because my body calls for it. So there's just a lot of things that kind of go by the wayside just because I want to make sure that I am present for her in all things that she is doing in her high school life. She's a 9th grader. One thing I noticed, because I do have chronic fatigue syndrome, it doesn't really bother me in the spring and in the summertime, but by the time winter hits, my body be like, girl, have several seats or we are going to have some seats for you. Another thing that I ordered was a green throw blanket, and that has already come in. It just didn't come in while I was filming this video. So let's fast forward to about, I don't know, 3 days later. I'm looking at my closet like, girl, you really need to clean your closet out. And if you know anything about me, all of my closets are a hot mess, okay? So right now I'm thinking I'm not gonna clean it out. I'm just gonna declutter because there are a lot of items in here that I cannot fit any longer. I recently had the norovirus and I lost a lot of weight. It started off with like 5 pounds and then it went to like 12 pounds. So I got to get rid of some stuff because yeah, I can't fit them. So why are they in my closet? Let's think about that for a second. The other thing is my drawers were not closing. So I was like, let me get rid of some things in these drawers too. There were some items in here that I just didn't like anymore. There were items I was not wearing. Therefore, it's time to get rid of them. There is someone in need out here in this world who needs clothes that I can donate these to. And that's exactly what I did. Plus, I like to declutter during every single season, and now that it's wintertime, it's time to declutter because the last time I decluttered was probably the beginning of fall. I want you to know that you are worthy and you can accomplish anything that you want to accomplish. Anything that you put your mind to, you can do it. One of the affirmations that I tend to say, and I always tell my girl, 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒, definitely check out her channel. I always say, everything always works out in my favor. Everything always works out in my favor. Everything always works out in my favor. You got to say it with your whole chest, okay? You got to get to a point where you're completely delusional by telling yourself, I am worthy, I am enough. Because at the end of the day, you are. This world is hard. We go out in this world every single day. People cuss at us, people flick us off, people are rude to us, but know that you are loved and you are needed. It really doesn't matter what they think. It doesn't matter what they say. It matters how you speak to yourself. Thank you for rocking with me through this video. I hope you had some type of encouragement to get some things together in your home, whether it be decluttering your space or just changing out your pillow covers because you want to make things look pretty and different. Let's try our hardest to strive for excellence this year. Let's try our hardest to speak life into ourselves, to love on ourselves, to care for ourselves. That way we can spread the love that we have out into this world. This world needs love.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me.
Here are the items that I will be donating, and it really made my heart feel so good. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you have a great day.